Well, you may or may not be aware, but at this point, we added a pretty cool new feature to Chours Online, and you can find it in the Symphony Whiteboard section. So in the Symphony Whiteboard section, we have the ability not only to create a new Symphony Whiteboard, but to import whiteboard files. Now, the types of files are really important. There's 3 specifically that we wanted to acknowledge. The first one is a .note file, which is what you can save from the Note application on any clear touch panel. The next 2 are either .notebook or .flipchart. So if you're familiar with Promethean's Active Inspire, which creates .flipchart files, or Smart Notebook, which creates .notebook files, we also have the ability to import those into this space. So what we're doing is we're effectively using AI to convert them, unlike what you may have seen from many of our competitors, which is essentially a snapshot of each page as a PDF. This is going to have interactive capabilities. For example, if I open up Active Inspire, I have quite a few different .flipchart options. So I'm going to open this up and just show you what it does. Now, what you're going to see here is that it's going to take a little bit of time. What the AI is doing is actually splitting apart every little piece and trying to recreate it with our Symphony Whiteboard. That's not to say that it's always 100% perfect, and there may be 1 or 2 different workflow changes that you have. And I'll get into that here in a little bit. But in the grand scheme, you're not losing anything. You're actually able to use it in an online portal that is free and accessible for as long as NuiTech is offering this Symphony Whiteboard, which, as far as we're concerned, is forever. So with that said, you're going to see this .flipchart is going to switch up and provide me with some really cool capabilities. I may have to touch up a little bit of it just to get the flow right, but you'll find that it's way closer, like 90+% of the way there, than if I were to just try and do this with a PDF reader. So as you can see, it's finished. Now, I downloaded this from Teachers Pay Teachers just to show you what it can do. If I click on this, I'm able to open it up, and it's going to have all kinds of media content that already exists. So with that said, I may need to change the order of these things. For example, you can see that there's a text box. I want to click on that, and I'm going to bring that to the front. So as you can see, it's some little things, but in the grand scheme, it's all there, right? I can click through, and we're going to see we have some other stuff that I can work on. I'm going to change the text size here, and we'll be able to interact with the eraser. Of course, I've got a Mac, so have fun if you click too much. As you can see, we've got the ability to use all of these pieces. Now, this is a little bit big too, so I do have to resize. In fact, I'll just select it all and make sure that they're all the right size. You have the ability to use all of these little pieces and erase all of these pieces too. So, for example, if I select that, I'm going to make sure it's completely selected, and we're going to, just for the sake of time, move this to the left, and I'm going to make sure that my text is changed in terms of size. So you can see here, maybe we need to select all and change the actual size. We'll change that to blue, and we'll change it to the left. There's a couple of other pieces that obviously need to be changed in this one. So we'll change text. And then there's these lines. Well, if I click on them, you'll notice that I can just move some of these pieces around. It's that simple. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit annoying, but in the grand scheme, we're talking about transitioning from one company's content to another, and that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to select these pieces and change them as I see fit, move them around, change the height, angle, etc. And I'm able to make them fit. If you want to, you can do things like select the text, change the size, and rewrite it if you need to. So I'm able to grab this piece and move it where I need to. Again, all of the pieces are there. It's as simple as that. And this is a 23-page option, right? I've even done this with 140 pages from Smart Notebook. Keep in mind, this works really well right on your computer, anywhere, and I'm just running Chours in a browser. We can even then send this out to students. So instead of having to do this all at the front of the board, I can send this as an individual assignment, or I can have everybody collaborate at the same time. Hopefully you're as excited as we are about the new addition to Symphony. We look forward to adding to it, and I appreciate you taking the time.